Step into the 2003 Ford Explorer XLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine block heater STD and only available in AC, MN, ND, SD, MT, Y&Y, 3.55 axle ratio, independent rear suspension, front linear rate coil springs, rear variable rate coil springs, PWR rack and pinion steering, PWR 4-wheel disc brakes, blackout B-pillar treatment, faceted reflector quad beam headlights and fog lamps. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.